Now we introduce our company's ZWLS lightning arrestor counter tester. This is the power switch at the bottom. This is a telescopic rod. This is a set of test cables, one red and one black, used to connect to the port on the top of the device. This is the device charger. Next, we will introduce how to use the device. One end of the red test line is connected to the high voltage end of the product under test, and the other end is connected to the red port on the top of the device. One end of the black test line is connected to the black port on the top of the device, and the other end is connected to the ground terminal of the product under test. Turn on the bottom power switch. This is the time gear adjustment: I slow gear, 2 medium gear, 3 fast gear. Here we choose 3 gear. This is the calibration switch, which has 2 positions: calibration position and use position. When in normal use, please put this switch in the use position. This is the voltage level. 0 represents 200 volts, 1 represents 400 volts, and so on. 7 represents 1600 volts. Now we will test with 200 volts. Press and hold the test button to start boosting the voltage. During the test, press and hold the button to test. If you release it, the test ends and discharge begins. Wait for the voltage to return to 0. Now we use the tool to adjust the gear to 400 volts and press the test switch to test. Release the test button when the test is finished. Customers can choose the appropriate voltage level for testing according to their test needs. We will not demonstrate them one by one here. Here we especially remind you that in the check position, the instrument will continue to output the set high voltage. It needs to be performed by professionals to ensure personal safety and confirm that the product under test can withstand the set high voltage. After the test is finished, wait for the voltage to return to 0 before removing the test line to ensure personnel safety. Next, we removed the test wire from the ground terminal and performed a demonstration test using a telescopic rod. Insert the telescopic rod into the black port of the device. Extend the top of the telescopic rod to touch the shell of the product under test. Our voltage level is currently 600 volts. Press the test button to start the test. After the test is finished, release the test button. The device starts discharging, and wait for the voltage to return to 0. The test is over. Here is a special reminder for you. During the test, the telescopic rod must be in perfect contact with the product being tested, otherwise sparks will be generated. This will ensure the safety of the test during the test. Lightning arrestor counter tester. Overall introduction completed.